Hey, and just like that, we back. What's happening, man? We back up in here with another one of these things, man. So, yeah, I know I've been telling y'all about the lights. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen the lights. I've done on the interior. All the interior lights, I know I'm still lacking one light. But I got some other bulbs coming in too, so I don't know if I'm gonna replace those or not. But I told y'all that them H3s was coming in. So bam. Here it is. It's a Redbird. I ain't sure what that is, but what brand it is. I just got it from, it was just a eBay order. So okay. These some big bulbs. These some nice size bulbs, man. Check this out. Yeah. I don't know how that's going. Well, I know how it's gonna work. So yeah. I'm gonna have to I wonder, I got some blade terminals. Because the other lights I ain't connected like this. So I got a little time. I guess I'll go ahead and try to slap them in right quick. I ain't finna go through this tutorial on how to take this light out, because this is something that my dad put in here and is not factory at all. Even though the factory holes are still there, but he made some brackets for this particular light style to work. So if you got a regular stock Trans Am Firebird, this wouldn't be for you, because it ain't all the way. I ain't gonna say all the way. It ain't factory at all. So let me look and see if I got some blade terminals for this. If not, then I'm gonna have to do something else. But yeah, let's get to it, man. Yeah. So, hey, man, your boy to learn a little something, man, from the YouTube school and from some of these guys that be doing the wiring and all that right there, man. Your boy to learn a little something. So, yeah, man, I had to clean up some stuff that Pops did. Like I said, I ain't even showing all that because it is what it is. Had to clean up some stuff, you know what I'm saying? And it was old. So, like I said, I had to clean up some stuff. But I'm gonna sit y'all down, man. I'm gonna let y'all see what we got now. We eliminated the halos because obviously I don't know what's going on with that, but they ain't working right now. So I ain't gonna even worry about that. Which they probably still work. Man, what was that? Hold on. Yeah, wind blowing away my little phone. I don't want nobody saying I'm living in their yard. But anyway, we eliminated the halos, man. So let me turn y'all around so y'all can see what we got going on. Yeah. Turn these little fog lights on. Turn the fog lights on. Man. Got yourself a full LED there, man. 6,000K, man. Like I said, we eliminated the halos. So, man, we should be able to see real good with that, man. Should be able to see real good with that. It's a nice, clean light, too. Nice, clean light. Now, we're going to go over here. Mess with that one. Yeah. Just like that, man. We got... Hold on. Tripod sit up right. We got a little light, man. We got us a little LED action, man. Fog lights now. Yes, sir. And I can control it with the switch to work. The inside switch still work. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, cut all of them. Yes, sir, man. So let me go ahead and put this back in here. How was I actually? This one didn't want to come on, so I had to undo some wiring and then rewire it. Cause I thought it was something that was in the wiring that was going to that side, but it was just, I guess the stuff just was rusted or whatever. So done that, and yeah, finna go and put it back in there. And this actually took longer than what I expected it to take, but hey, it is what it is, man. You gotta understand that when you y'all gotta understand, man, when you're dealing with these cars, don't think you finna go and, man, start messing with no car and it's finna happen just like that and everything finna go as planned, cause 8 times out of 10 that's never the case. So yeah, I always be expecting that, man. So don't have nothing planned that you finna do. Tell me, yeah, I'm finna run to the house and do this to the car right quick and then I'm gonna come back. Nope, it ain't gonna happen, bro. Don't even play yourself like that. But yeah, let me go ahead, man, wrap all this back up, cause like it's finna start raining. Let me go wrap this all up and then I'll be right back. Yeah, back. I'm just gonna turn them on. I ain't gonna start the car. Hey, man, it's crazy because this morning my battery was dead, right? Because I was doing this exact same thing yesterday. Yeah, big bright lights. Now I gotta do something with these headlights, man, cause yeah, it's horrendous. But yeah, man, now I'm finna continue on my day. So I guess when everything else get here, man, that I can go ahead and do, then I'll finish the video on up, man, and then we'll wrap it up. But while y'all waiting on that, man, go ahead, subscribe if you haven't. Go ahead, visit BeeloNation LLC, man. I got the MayRose shirts. I got the Ain't Mine Tennessee shirts. Got a couple sweatsuits left. Man, y'all go ahead, man. Do that. And if you're not already, man, subscribe to the emails, man. That way you get updated every time the site is updated. Every time the store is updated, you will be updated. So yeah, y'all go and do that for your boy, man. And yeah, by the time I do this, we'll be back at the car, man, with some more light action. I know I was through recording, y'all, but look, y'all check this out. Look like it's a pot of gold over there. I'm finna head that way. Y'all see that rainbow? Yes, sir. Yep. Yeah, y'all, we in traffic. Look at them fog lights. Woohoo! I can turn my headlights off. I ain't gonna lie to you. I wonder what it look like if I turn my headlights off. Let me see. Hold on. It didn't make much of a difference, did it? Didn't make much of a difference. Hold on. What's up, little cuz? Man, none. You know what it is. I was just showing. Oh, for real. Nah, I wasn't even out yesterday. Yeah, man, y'all see these fog lights though, man. Let me get out this vlog and talk to little cuz right quick. I'll hit y'all in a minute.